In this video, we're gonna dive into this idea of how I discovered that the price point of $97 per month is a middle ground price point that you should also charge to your members, get a few of them paying you so you can start building your monthly recurring income. And down below this video, there is also the link to my free course, my free Skool community, where I teach you how you can sign the first 5 people paying you $97 per month. This course is completely for free. Click down below, get it, and let's get this party started. I discovered that charging $97 per month is the middle ground price point that I settled with, and I also teach any new life coach right now. Hey, just put a price of $97 a month onto your group coaching program, your Skool membership, your community, your course, and get the first few people pay you that price point. So you will work with them, and now $97 a month allows you to be paid a little bit, right? Imagine that if you get 3, 4, 5 people paying you $100 a month, you are having a $500 a month recurring monthly income. To some people, this will not sound a lot, but to be honest, the peace of mind that recurring income brings to you, the energy that those 5, 6 people who you are working with bring to the table, and the stability that the idea of you building a recurring income provides you with, that's worth more than $500 a month. The peace of mind, that's all worth more than $100 a month. To be honest, I have completely changed my life. I transformed my life forever now when I have this monthly recurring income coming in, and I'm not worried about getting a new client. I don't need to get a new client, to be honest, because people are staying. Yes, if I get people extra into my membership, yes, I'm compounding my monthly recurring income, but this is an easy task for me right now. I am settled. And you, if you would like to start your membership program and become a consistent, have a recurring income with your coaching practice, I would strongly suggest you start dancing around the idea that you're gonna charge people $97 a month, or less or more, whatever feels to you, right, better or so. But if you get only 5 people paying you $97 a month, or 6 or 7 or 10, and then 20, 30, right? Yes, 30, 40, 50 people in your program will provide you with a full-time recurring income. But even 5, 10, 15 to begin with is awesome. It's gonna be part-time monthly recurring income for you, right? Imagine someone pays you $97 a month, right? You don't really need to go with that person on a one-on-one onboarding call and stuff like that. You can create a mini system of an email that's sent out to them, a welcome post that they visit immediately when they paid. So it explains them how to start going through your course videos. They go through your course videos, and then they know when your group coaching calls are, because that welcome email sent out that to them, right? So my point being is you can accept new members passively for that mini price point, right? People understand that they gonna need to go through this coaching program of yours and your course more passively, so that doesn't now take you too much of your time right now. Another thing, $97 a month is affordable for people to pay. They don't even notice that much that this money disappears from their bank account every month, right? It also allows them to stay for longer in your program, for example, for 3 months, 7 months, a year. That's your goal, that someone can stay with you for a year, and in 1 year time they transform their life forever, and then they're gonna keep working with you anyway because they are growing so well. You're gonna advance them into your higher price to any other program, or let them just stay for $97 a month, right? And when you're subscribing your $97 per month members, right, let me tell you this, it's quite worth to you to go on a mini call with them, right? It's totally worth to go on a 10-minute call with your potential new member, so you sign them for $97 a month because they're gonna stay for a year. Guess what? That's $1,200 of income, and it's totally worth for you really to go on a call, because if someone paid you like $20-30, right, a month or whatever, you will be like, oh, I don't have time to go on a call with that person. But hey, if someone paid you $100 a month and they're gonna stay, you would be able to go on a call with them, because look, $100 per month or $1,200 a year then, right, is still solid money, and you will be like, yeah, let me talk to this person, let me sign them personally as well. So that's another option or benefit of why $97 a month is quite a deal. And also when they sign up, right, it's quite worth to you to sometimes follow up with them and reach out to them via DMs, right? For example, if you see that one member is not coming like to your group calls, they didn't come for 2-3 weeks, right, it's totally okay for you to be like in the DMs, right, hey, I've not seen you for 2-3 weeks, right? Are you coming this next week on a group call? Or hey, what are you doing, right? It's totally worth to you to follow up with them in the DMs because you want to keep them. You want them to succeed and stay, right? So if someone's paying you $100 a month, it's totally okay for you to go into the DMs and just message them, hey, what's going on, right? It's totally okay maybe to throw in a quick 10-minute one-on-one call with them as well. So you keep touching base with your $100-a-month members. Few more benefits of the $97 per month, right? Price point. People don't expect you to do one-on-one coaching for that price point because they're not paying like $500 a month or $2,000 for 3 months, right? They're paying $97 a month, which in their mind is like, okay, I'm getting the course, I'm getting the community, I am coming to the weekly group coaching calls, and this person, for example, me, Primos, who is their coach, or you, right? If you are their coach, right? This person always checks in with me in the DMs and they are always interacting with me for $97 a month. It's freaking quite a good journey that I'm having with this person for $100 a month. Now, you can accommodate more people for this mini price point of $97 a month, right? You can work with 30, 40, 50, 100 people in your program and you're gonna still not spend more of your personal time helping clients or members achieve results. You will be able to still do those 2 group coaching calls per week or how many ever you run. People will be going through your course passively on their own through your course videos. They're gonna be interacting in the community classroom, right? And you're gonna be able to have 50, 100 people later on paying you, right? You're gonna maybe hire a community manager or someone like that to help you run the community, answer people's questions and stuff like that. You could run quite a passive business model here by you having 40, 50 members, right? That's where I'm going right now. I'm going to 70 to 100. That's my vision in the next year. I'm at 30 plus right now, and I've been at this point for a few weeks, months right now, because I have been improving my foundation here. I just hired 2 teammates, a video editor and another copywriter and someone who's gonna help me manage my community and my customers and so on, right? I've been stabilizing my foundation so I can go to 50 to 100 to then some more. Strong foundation is very important, right? That you can learn from those 5, 6, 7 people a lot. You improve your course so the new people who come in can go faster through your course, get results faster. They will be like, whoa, I just learned so much. I'm freaking exploding. My energy is here, right? I need to keep staying with this person right now so I can blow up my life even more, right? So my point being is a foundation is quite an important thing, right? And to be honest, charging people $100 a month is gonna be your strong foundation because it's gonna be bringing you a monthly recurring income every month. And that's what you want in your life right now. You want peace of mind that the money is there so you don't worry about the money, but you rather focus on client results. People will be staying here in your membership program and your goal is to create awesome case studies of people who transformed their lives. So you can document those journeys, create testimonials, you can share those testimonials with more people on social media, on YouTube or anywhere else, or even amongst your members. So everyone is like, whoa, we are creating energy here, we are transforming, we are growing. This person, my coach, this person, right, who is running a program is the one, right? I am learning a lot here in his or her program, right? And I want to stay. This transformed my life, right? So that's the goals that you want to achieve with you running your membership program. And the price point of $97 a month is that middle ground that's not too expensive. It's not too cheap for you to not be able to be paid then well, right? And it allows people to stay for much longer, right? To be honest, I still like to do a lot of one-on-one touch-ups with my members. I really want them to succeed. And even when I sign them for $97 a month, I often tell them, hey, show up for me so I can show up for you. Complete my course steps, do the work, let's get results together so you can become my best case study, right? And that's what I install in people's minds in my membership program. I need them to succeed, become my awesome case studies, and in exchange, I'm really willing to help them. So I tell them, hey, if you're gonna do the work and stuff like that, yes, you're gonna come to the group coaching calls through which we work, but after or before the group calls, I might spend 10 minutes extra with you, little one-on-one, so we really make sure that we succeed. And later we're gonna create a YouTube video testimonial case study when you succeeded, and I really want to help you get there. I want to work with you on results basis. I really want to make sure that you succeed, right? So that's how I approach working with my 97 a month members. I really want them to stay. I really want them to succeed. I really want them to grow. So we create then more energy, right? And another thing that I am learning right now is my members can recommend to me more members into my program, right? So they are like, whoa, for 97, I'll invite some more in people. It's not too expensive. They will love to come in, work with this guy, and so on. I don't know why I brought this up, right? But it's not like they're referring to me people who will pay me a few thousands of dollars. So they're like, whoa, I'm getting awesome results. I will refer my friend to this guy, right? And stuff like that. So all of this happens with this price point of 97 a month. If you charge $97 per month for your coaching program, this gives you a lot of focus. Why I'm saying that? Because it's simple for you to know and understand, hey, if I only sign 5 or 10 people paying me $97 a month, I am gonna be breaking energetically through. I'm gonna start being paid as a coach now, monthly recurring income. I am willing to do the work for it because this income will then stay. It will start compounding. And that's what 97 a month allows you to do, to be focused. I just want to get the first 5 people first. I'll go then from there. But if I achieve this milestone, I'm gonna start having a monthly recurring income. And another thing, when you get to 4, 5, 6, 7, you're gonna stay focused, right? How can I add just one person extra this week and then next week? You're gonna start compounding your income, and in 3, 5, 7 months you're gonna find yourself at 30, 40 as I am right now, and a few members here in my Skool community, in my membership program. A few of us got to 40, 50 members right now, and we are like, now, whoa, let's build more systems through which we can get more members. Let's grow this further to 100 and then some, right? So 97 a month will allow you to be focused, and your first focus and goal should be right now, create a membership program offer, put it on an app. Let's say use Skool so you can host your membership program there. People can pay you through this app. And thirdly, how can you get 5 people paying you 97 a month? Come down below, down this YouTube video is a link to my free Skool community. I am giving you a free course where you can go through the 3 steps of how you can sign the first few people paying you $97 per month for your coaching services, for your course, your community, your group coaching calls, and some one-on-one work you can do with your members so they can really succeed, right? Follow along, take some action, subscribe, comment down below this video if you love this idea, and if you have any questions, just let me know so we can continue this journey together, okay? Thank you so much. Have fun.